Lower energy bills. One of the most immediate and noticeable benefits of upgrading to energy-efficient windows and doors is the potential for lower energy bills. Older windows and doors, especially those with single panes, can allow heat to escape during the winter and let hot air in during the summer. This makes it harder for your HVAC system to maintain a comfortable temperature, forcing it to work harder and use more energy. In contrast, energy-efficient windows and doors are designed to prevent heat transfer, keeping the interior of your home at a consistent temperature. As a result, you'll use less energy to heat and cool your home, which translates into lower utility costs every month. Improved comfort year-round. Energy-efficient windows and doors don't just save you money, they also contribute to a more comfortable living environment. In Pasadena, where summers can be hot and winters can be chilly, maintaining a comfortable temperature inside your home is essential. With energy-efficient upgrades, you'll experience fewer temperature fluctuations, eliminating drafts and cold spots during the winter and keeping your home cooler during the hot summer months. With the added benefit of better insulation, your home will feel more pleasant throughout the year, making it easier to relax and enjoy your living space. Increased home value. If you're considering selling your Pasadena home in the future, energy-efficient windows and doors can increase your property's value. Buyers are increasingly looking for homes with energy-efficient features, as these not only offer long-term savings but also contribute to a sustainable lifestyle. Homes with upgraded windows and doors are often seen as more modern, well-maintained, and eco-friendly, making them more attractive to potential buyers. In many cases, this can result in a higher resale value and quicker sale, giving you a return on your investment when it's time to move. Better indoor air quality. Energy-efficient windows and doors also help improve the overall air quality in your home. Many modern windows feature double or triple glazing with gas fills that prevent moisture and outdoor pollutants from entering your home. This helps reduce the infiltration of dust, pollen, and other allergens, which can have a significant impact on your home's indoor air quality. For those with allergies or respiratory conditions, this is an important benefit, as cleaner air can lead to a healthier, more comfortable living environment. Noise reduction. Living in a busy area like Pasadena means that outside noise can sometimes be a nuisance. Whether it's traffic, neighbors, or local events, noise pollution can disrupt your peace and quiet. Energy-efficient windows and doors are designed with noise reduction in mind. The multiple layers of glass and insulation in these windows and doors help to block out external noise, creating a quieter and more serene indoor environment. This is especially beneficial if you live in a noisy neighborhood or near busy streets, as it allows you to enjoy a greater sense of tranquility inside your home. Enhanced home security. In addition to energy efficiency, many modern windows and doors come with added security features. Energy-efficient doors and windows are often built with reinforced frames, multiple locking mechanisms, and shatter-resistant glass, making it more difficult for intruders to break in. By upgrading to these secure windows and doors, you can enhance the safety of your home while also enjoying the energy-saving benefits they provide. This added layer of protection gives homeowners peace of mind, knowing that their home is both energy efficient and secure. Environmental impact. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows and doors is an excellent way to reduce your carbon footprint and contribute to environmental sustainability. Homes with energy-efficient features consume less energy, which means fewer greenhouse gas emissions from power plants. By reducing your home's energy consumption, you're helping to conserve natural resources and contribute to the global effort to combat climate change. For environmentally conscious homeowners, this makes upgrading to energy-efficient windows and doors a responsible choice. Low maintenance and durability. Energy-efficient windows and doors are designed to last longer and require less maintenance than their traditional counterparts. Many of these products are made from durable materials that are resistant to warping, fading, and weather damage. With better insulation and airtight seals, you'll also experience fewer issues with condensation or mold buildup. These windows and doors are built to withstand the elements, making them a smart long-term investment that will continue to perform well for years to come. Improved aesthetics. Energy-efficient windows and doors come in a wide range of styles and designs, so you don't have to sacrifice style for function. Whether you're updating the look of your home or maintaining its original charm, there are plenty of options available to suit your needs. From sleek modern designs to traditional, classic looks, you can find energy-efficient windows and doors that complement your home's aesthetic while also improving its energy performance. Conclusion. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows and doors in Pasadena offers numerous benefits that go beyond just reducing your energy bills. With improved comfort, better air quality, enhanced security, and a higher home value, these upgrades offer a significant return on investment. Additionally, they contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle, reducing your environmental impact while providing long-lasting durability. Whether you're looking to save money, enhance your home's appearance, or make your home more comfortable, energy-efficient windows and doors are a smart choice for homeowners in Pasadena.